heard somebody in the other room. I'm gonna go check it out and make sure it's on. There's definitely somebody in there. Whoa, he's a good shot too. He definitely can see me. I think he's out of ammo. He's out of ammo! I got him. Down, he's down. He's very hurt too. But he might be able to get a shot off. Might be able to get a shot off real quick. He might be out of ammo though. Remember, he was out of ammo! Oh, no! No! Oh no. Yeah, he's dead. Hang on. Let me just quickly make sure. He might not be dead. Might just be faking it. Let me put a bullet right in his stomach. With this baby. Oh no, it fell out. That's not good. Here, we'll just reload it. Alright. He should be dead. Oh, I think he's dead. He's dead. I shot him with 2 shots.